Well, a new year, new outlook, and new predictions. Speaking with us today on what 2023 may bring us financially is President and CEO of Wilsey Asset Management, Brent Wilsey. Good to see you, Brent. Happy New Year.
Good to be here. Happy New Year, yes.
All right, so let's talk. The economy's got to be top of mind.
It really is. Let's kind of just recap real quickly what happened in 2022. We saw inflation go up dramatically. We saw interest rates go up dramatically. We saw stock markets go down. We saw some crazy things happen in 2022. Put that in the rear view mirror because that is done. Don't focus on that for 2023. That's why I'm here to talk about what we see in 2023. And let's start off with the economy, because the economy is in pretty good shape. And that's very important when it comes to investing and what you're going to be doing. We just had the jobs report on Friday. The jobs report, we had a great jobs report to where we had new jobs added. But the important thing was, and one thing that's been difficult for interest rates is that Chairman Powell, he does not want to have inflation. So inflation did drop. We talked in the summer it's going to be dropping, and it did. But he was concerned about wage inflation. What was nice in this jobs report that came out, wage growth was only 4.6% versus 5%, which means he could taper down on what he's going to do with the interest rates. That's why we had the big rally. So that was a positive. The economy has in it inflation, so I think inflation is going to be tapering down this year. And also, too, jobs are important. We also saw the JOLTS report, which is Job Opening Labor Turnover Survey, 10.5 million open jobs. We have a very strong job market. If you have a weak job market, you're going to have a bad recession. Strong job market, you won't have a bad recession. So that's the positive part that we look at. Now, we look at with the interest rates. I don't think interest rates are going to be tapering down much this year. I think they'll stay about the same. They'll probably raise once or twice. So you're not going to have a reversal. So if you're in bonds, not a good time to be in bonds. You got beaten up terribly in 2022. It's not going to be a reversal for bonds in 2023.
What does this all mean for our real estate market? Because the last year, it's taken a huge turn.
Yeah, it's taken a huge turn, and rents are starting to come down, prices are starting to come down, and it takes time. I still tell people, now again, I always want to tell people, if you want to buy a home for your family and raise your kids, it's always a good time to buy. But if you're looking at, you want growth on that home, I'd be waiting until 2024, because we're just starting to see people that they bought a new house, they haven't sold their house yet, and they can't sell their house. So what do they have to do? They got to get out of that house. They got to reduce the prices. So I think we'll see prices come down more in 2023 than they were in 2024. And keep in mind, it's worth the wait, because not only is the price of the home, but the home, you have based on that property taxes, the insurance costs. So this could save you hundreds of dollars a month by just waiting for that. So look at the mortgage payment. Be patient, unless, again, you're trying to get in a school district and trying to raise your family, then it's okay. But I would not buy real estate. Myself, I sold a couple years ago. I probably will not buy until 2024, I guess.
Something you warned us about all year, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin.
Right. It's not going to be the year for Bitcoin either. I mean, we're seeing, gosh, I pick up the Wall Street Journal, another bankruptcy, another bad sign about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. The last few months, it's traded between 15,000, I think 18,000 range. What made it so exciting was the fear of missing out. Well, there's more people concerned about it now. So to push it up, the demand is not there. So I think we could see it drop down to maybe $10,000 this year, maybe more. I mean, it's just not the excitement that it was before.
Right.
Too much bad news on that.
Stocks and bonds.
Stocks and bonds, I mean, we're going to have a good year, but you've got to be selective what you're buying. I think the indexes are still overweight with technology. Technology is not going to recover. Even the CEO of Microsoft came out saying, yeah, it's going to be a couple of years before we see things. Technology is having problems. It's still overpriced, but there's some great buys you want to get into. I mean, gosh, we like financials. We like consumer cyclicals. Entertainment is one that we're getting into. Beverages and food. Healthcare is another one. So there's things you can make good money on. And we did okay last year. We didn't lose one client because of bad performance. But this year, 2023, I think we're going to have a very, very good year. And if you're staying on the sidelines, you're going to miss a good year on December 31st. Like, gosh, I wish I had invested back in 2023.
Okay, quickly, off script, something I wanted to ask you about. The Southwest Airlines meltdown over the holidays. They're talking about hundreds of $millions, class action lawsuits. My thought was, how does that affect the shareholders, the stockholders? What's your take?
Well, the stock has come down. It was around 37, dropped down about 32. I think now it's around 35. It is going to be, a bad news for the company, but it is such a great business, such a great company. They will get through it. I think it's, what, $870 million is a lawsuit. That's not going to be what they're going to pay. And this could go on for many years. So Southwest will fix the problem. They've got a great, management team and so forth. So Unfortunately, I was hoping it's going to drop down around 25. I probably would have bought the stock. But at 30, 35 now, it's probably pretty reasonably priced.
That's it. Okay, any seminars coming up?
Yeah, actually, we have one coming up on, when is it? Thursday, January 19th. And it's our first one of the year. We're going to talk about what to do in 2023 and how to manage money in 2023. So it's going to be 6 o'clock, January 19th, a Thursday in Scripps Ranch. They can sign up at our website, smartinvesting2000.com. Again, smartinvesting2000.com.
Any cost for the seminar?
No, it is free.
It's free.
It's free. We love doing them. I've done these for over 20 years.
All right, Brent Wilsey, thanks a lot. Appreciate the info.